are hungry? How about some broccoli? That's right. Wesley is a carnivore, and carnivores don't eat vegetables. Hey Wesley, do you want some milk? This is a baby Triceratops. It's an herbivore. That means it eats plants like this. Watch. Oh, hi puppy. How are you? What's that egg somewhere?
Dino, dino, the dino, 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 the dinosaur, dino, dino, the dino, 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 the dinosaur. I am a Dino Explorer, along with my dinosaur friends. We walk through jungles and forests, searching for dinosaur eggs.
Hey now, watch out for carnivores, cause they like to eat lots and lots of meat. But if you see a herbivore, there's no need to be scared, cause they just eat plants that nature has prepared. And then there is the omnivores, like you and me. We like to eat a little bit of everything. Come along, sing along with this dino song, cause
we are Dino Explorers, along with our dinosaur friends. We walk through jungles and forests, searching for dinosaur eggs.
here is the catch: when they hatch, better be ready for a baby T-Rex. Yeah, that would be cool. It could match on my lunch while I swim in the pool. Or maybe a pteranodon. Unlike you and I, those can fly in the sky. If it's a Brachiosaurus, I'm sure to grow tall and drink lots of water from a waterfall. Whatever's inside those eggs we will find. Just remember that
we are Dino Explorers, along with our dinosaur friends. We walk through jungles and forests, searching for dinosaur eggs. Dino, dino, the dino, 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 the dinosaur, dino, dino, the dino, 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 the dinosaur.
Yoda! Wow, I wonder what kind of eggs there are. You're coming home with me. And you too.
All right, Indominus Rex, are you hungry?
Hey Dad, check out these eggs I found.
Wow, Christine, these are amazing. I wonder what's inside. Where did you find them?
I found them in some bushes.
Ooh, were they nearby some rocks?
Yeah.
Cool. Well, the one thing you have to do when you have any kind of egg, whether it's a dinosaur egg or a bird egg, is you have to wait for them to hatch, then find out what's inside. So, let's wait.
Okay.
Oh, I have an idea.
What?
Why don't we say, please hatch, 1, 2, 3, okay?
Okay.
Let's do it. Please hatch, please hatch. 1, 2, 3. I can hear something inside. Oh! Good. Ooh, look at this. Check it out.
Wow, that teeth are so sharp.
That's right. This is a baby Tyrannosaurus Rex. So it has very sharp teeth because Tyrannosaurus Rexes were actually carnivores. Do you know what carnivores like to eat?
Meat.
Correct. They like to eat meat. Exactly. And what's over here?
A baby raptor.
Exactly. You're good with dinosaur names. This is a baby velociraptor. Okay, let's take him out of his egg for a little while. There we go. Whoa, what should we name this baby velociraptor?
I think Squeaky.
Squeaky. Okay, he does like to squeak. All right, so we have one baby T-Rex and one baby velociraptor. But where are their parents?
I think they're outside.
You know what? I think you're right. Why don't you take this little guy outside and try to find his mommy?
Okay.
Good luck and be safe.
Bye. There's Mama. Wow, she's so big and beautiful. Look at her sharp teeth. Here you go. Don't worry, Mama. It's your baby. You'll be safe right here. Just listen to Mama. Bye-bye. I'll miss you. And you too. Wow, this is an oviraptor. Oviraptors are omnivores. That means they eat plants and meat, just like us.
Christine, you did such a good job learning about dinosaurs today, especially carnivores. Remember, what do they like to eat?
They like to eat meat.
That's right. But remember, we also have dinosaurs called herbivores, like this.
A Brachiosaurus.
That's right. And a Brachiosaurus is an herbivore, which means it likes to eat.
Leaves.
Yeah, it'll eat leaves and grass and other plants. Herbivores are animals that just like to eat plants.
I think Brachiosaurus likes to eat broccoli.
Oh, that's a good point. If we had some broccoli, we could feed it to the Brachiosaurus. So, do you want to open this up?
Yeah.
All right, let's unbox the Brachiosaurus. So why did the Brachiosaurus have such a long neck?
Because he's gonna eat the tree leaves.
That's right. It would eat leaves from the top of trees, just like another animal we have today. What's that animal with a long neck that likes to eat leaves?
Giraffe.
Exactly. It's like a prehistoric giraffe. This toy is really cool because the neck can even twist. But it doesn't really stay in position. It just moves, but it doesn't really stay. Can it stay? Yeah, this is made of some kind of rubber.
It's gonna eat the camera. Ah. Look, Daddy.
All right, that's the Brachiosaurus, one of the largest herbivores to ever walk on the face of the earth. And Dinosaur Explorers, thank you so much for joining us today. Until next time, goodbye.
Dino, dino, the dino. Dino, dino, the dinosaur. Dino, dino, the dino. Dino, dino, the dinosaur.